as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. As we continue to explore and learn about these incredible creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance that sustains this unique ecosystem. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we'll delve into the mysteries of the Amazon's indigenous cultures and their profound connection to the forest. Welcome back to our journey through the Amazon rainforest. In this chapter, we turn our attention to the vital role that the Amazon plays in the health of our planet. Often referred to as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon rainforest is crucial for regulating the global climate. The Amazon's dense vegetation acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process helps mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing greenhouse gases. In fact, the Amazon absorbs approximately 2.2 billion tons of CO2 annually, making it one of the most important natural allies in the fight against global warming. But the Amazon's contributions don't stop there. The rainforest is a powerhouse of oxygen production, generating about 20% of the world's oxygen supply. This incredible feat is achieved through photosynthesis, where plants convert sunlight into energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. The Amazon's lush greenery is truly a lifeline for our planet's breathable air. The Amazon also plays a critical role in the global water cycle. Its vast network of rivers and streams, including the mighty Amazon River, releases an estimated 20% of the world's freshwater into the oceans. This immense flow of water influences weather patterns and helps sustain life far beyond the rainforest boundaries. Moreover, the Amazon's rich biodiversity contributes to the stability and resilience of ecosystems around the world. The genetic diversity found in the rainforest's flora and fauna holds the potential for new medicines, agricultural advancements, and scientific discoveries. The Amazon is a living library filled with untapped knowledge that could benefit humanity for generations to come. However, the Amazon rainforest is under threat. Deforestation, driven by logging, agriculture, and infrastructure development, is causing irreversible damage to this precious ecosystem. Every year, millions of acres of rainforest are lost, disrupting the delicate balance that sustains life in the Amazon and beyond. Protecting the Amazon is not just a local issue, it's a global responsibility. Efforts to conserve and restore the rainforest are crucial for maintaining the Earth's climate, preserving biodiversity, and ensuring a sustainable future. By supporting initiatives that promote responsible land use, reforestation, and the rights of indigenous communities, we can help safeguard the Amazon for future generations. As we conclude this chapter, let's reflect on the immense value of the Amazon rainforest. Its importance extends far beyond its borders, touching every corner of our planet. The health of the Amazon is intrinsically linked to the health of the Earth, and our collective actions can make a difference. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we'll explore the fascinating mysteries of the Amazon's indigenous cultures and their profound connection to the forest. Welcome back. In this chapter, we delve into the pressing threats that loom over the Amazon rainforest. Despite its unparalleled importance, the Amazon faces severe challenges that jeopardize its future and consequently the health of our planet. One of the most alarming threats is deforestation. Every year, millions of acres of the Amazon are cleared for logging, agriculture, and infrastructure development. This rampant destruction not only strips away the forest's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, but also disrupts the intricate web of life that depends on this habitat. Animals lose their homes, and plant species face extinction, leading to a loss of biodiversity that can never be reclaimed. Mining is another significant threat. The Amazon's rich mineral resources attract illegal mining operations that wreak havoc on the landscape. Toxic chemicals used in mining, such as mercury, contaminate rivers and soil, poisoning wildlife and indigenous communities. The scars left behind by mining operations can take centuries to heal, if they heal at all. Climate change exacerbates these threats. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns are altering the delicate balance of the Amazon's ecosystems. Droughts are becoming more frequent, making the forest more susceptible to fires. These fires, often started by human activities, can spread uncontrollably, devastating vast areas of the rainforest. But all is not lost. There are steps we can take to protect the Amazon. Supporting sustainable land use practices and promoting responsible consumption can reduce the demand for products that drive deforestation. Encouraging reforestation and afforestation projects can help restore degraded areas and expand the forest's reach. Indigenous communities play a crucial role in safeguarding the Amazon. These communities have lived in harmony with the forest for generations, and their traditional knowledge is invaluable in conservation efforts. Supporting their rights and empowering them to manage their lands can lead to more effective and sustainable conservation outcomes. International cooperation is essential. Governments, organizations, and individuals must work together to enforce laws against illegal activities and to fund conservation initiatives. By raising awareness and taking collective action, we can ensure that the Amazon rainforest continues to thrive for future generations. As we conclude this chapter, let's remember that the fate of the Amazon is intertwined with our own. The choices we make today will determine the future of this irreplaceable treasure. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we'll explore the fascinating mysteries of the Amazon's indigenous cultures and their profound connection to the forest. Welcome back to our journey through the Amazon rainforest. In this chapter, we shift our focus to the indigenous peoples who call this magnificent forest their home. For centuries, these communities have lived in harmony with the Amazon, their lives deeply intertwined with the rhythms of the forest. The Amazon is home to over 400 indigenous tribes, each with its own unique culture, language, and traditions. These tribes have developed a profound understanding of the forest, using its resources sustainably to meet their needs. From medicinal plants to hunting techniques, their knowledge of the Amazon's biodiversity is unparalleled. One such community is the Yanomami, who inhabit the border areas between Brazil and Venezuela. The Yanomami have a rich cultural heritage, with rituals and ceremonies that celebrate their connection to the land and the spirits of the forest. Their way of life is a testament to the deep respect they hold for nature. However, these communities face significant challenges. Encroachment by outsiders, deforestation, and illegal mining threaten their way of life. The introduction of diseases by outsiders has also had devastating effects on their populations, who often lack immunity to common illnesses. Despite these challenges, indigenous communities continue to fight for their rights and the protection of their lands. Organizations and activists are working alongside them to ensure their voices are heard and their territories are safeguarded. One inspiring example is the Kayapo tribe, who have successfully resisted large-scale deforestation and mining projects on their land. Through international alliances and legal battles, they have managed to protect vast areas of the Amazon, demonstrating the power of indigenous-led conservation efforts. The knowledge and practices of these communities are invaluable. They offer insights into sustainable living that can guide global conservation efforts. By supporting indigenous rights and empowering these communities, we can help preserve both their cultures and the Amazon rainforest. As we conclude this chapter, let's remember that the wisdom of the Amazon's indigenous peoples is a treasure trove of knowledge and resilience. Their stories and struggles remind us of the importance of living in harmony with nature. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we'll delve into the future of the Amazon and the efforts being made to ensure its survival. Welcome back. After exploring the rich cultures and challenges faced by the indigenous peoples of the Amazon, it's time to dive into some fun and fascinating facts about this incredible rainforest. Buckle up for a journey into the surprising and lesser-known aspects of the Amazon rainforest. Did you know that the Amazon River, stretching over 4,000 miles, is the second longest river in the world, only after the Nile? This mighty river holds more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined, making it a crucial lifeline for the rainforest's diverse ecosystems. Another intriguing fact, the Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. Often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, this vast forest plays a critical role in regulating the planet's climate and air quality, but that's not all. The Amazon is home to an estimated 390 billion individual trees, belonging to around 16,000 different species. Among these, the Brazil nut tree stands out. Its fruits are so tough that only the agouti, a small rodent with exceptionally strong teeth, can crack them open. Ever heard of the pink river dolphins? These unique creatures, also known as boto, inhabit the freshwater rivers of the Amazon. Unlike their oceanic cousins, they have a distinctive pink hue that becomes more vibrant as they age. And let's not forget the remarkable flora. The Amazon is home to the Victoria amazonica, the largest water lily in the world. Its enormous leaves can reach up to 10 feet in diameter and are strong enough to support the weight of a small child. Here's a quirky fact. Some parts of the Amazon receive so much rainfall that it can be measured in feet rather than inches. In fact, the rainforest experiences an average of 9 feet of rain annually, fostering its lush, dense vegetation. Lastly, the Amazon's biodiversity is staggering. It's estimated that a new plant or animal species is discovered here every 3 days. This makes the Amazon one of the most exciting and dynamic ecosystems on Earth, constantly revealing new wonders to scientists and explorers alike. These fun facts remind us of the Amazon's incredible richness and complexity. From its mighty river to its unique wildlife and plants, the Amazon rainforest never ceases to amaze and inspire. Thank you for joining us in this chapter of discovery. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of the Amazon.